So my name is McKenna, and I am originally from Bulverde, Texas, at least most recently. And Bulverde is outside of San Antonio, Texas. Some of my favorite classes that I've had at BYU Law honestly have been the 1L classes my first year, because it's kind of a tough year. You're nervous about being a new law student. You're nervous about learning a whole new educational pursuit. And I remember several of our professors in our classes, like Professor Collings, would sort us into houses. So we were all, it was like Harry Potter. We had Gryffindor and we had Ravenclaw, and we would get points throughout the semester for raising our hands and making comments in classes. So I really remember torts, even though that's not one of my best grades in law school. It's still one of my favorite classes because it really helped us all feel welcome and like we belonged. So one of my memorable experiences with a professor at BYU Law is from my second semester of my 1L year. After my first semester grades came out, it's a really important part of your law school experience, and you either have relief or you feel really disappointed, and I felt really disappointed. And I remember going into my second semester feeling like I wasn't good enough. And I don't remember why, but I remember meeting with Professor Stansel and talking with him, and it wasn't even really about grades, but I remember we got on that subject, and he said, okay, what are your classes? What grades did you get? Tell me about them. And I did, and I remember him stopping and saying, wait, your legal writing grade was really good. Hold on to that. That's good. That tells me something, that you can do this. And I remember how good that made me feel, and we made a plan after that of where I wanted to be and how I was going to get there. And I remember my second semester of law school was probably one of the hardest semesters that I ever worked. It was because a professor, believed in me that I could do more than, at least at that point, I thought I was capable of. So my advice to prospective law students, or to those who are thinking about going to law school, if you get excited thinking about the possibilities and what you can accomplish, but you are nervous or not sure if you can do it, I would say go for it. I'm just so grateful for the experiences that I've had and the growth that I've had, that I've experienced. I feel like the doors of possibility have been opened in ways that certainly weren't there before.